My name is Ben, and I'm a licensed drone pilot located in Utah. My drone license is primarily used for multimedia work, so photography and videography. And I want to talk specifically about real estate photography. When it comes to real estate photography, along with my unlimited HDR photos, I do include unlimited aerial photos. Anytime I take my drone off the ground, whether it be 1 feet, 5 feet, 15 feet off the ground, it's still considered aerial photos. And the reason why I use aerial photos is because it allows me to get a different perspective of the home that a traditional DSLR camera cannot. And let me explain. When you have a DSLR camera looking up at a tall house that's close up or even further away and it's looking up a hill, that's what you call a worm's eye view. That's where you're looking up at the structure. And sometimes that's not the most flattering view. Now, if you have a drone to take aerial photos, anything off the ground is considered aerial photos. So if I were to take my drone 20 feet up in the air to get level and square with the house, it's a more flattering photo for the home. So you can showcase the home better in a more full composition. Another reason why I use aerial photos is to showcase decks, or to showcase the yards, or to showcase solar panels. And all these are selling points. If you can compose it in a way and get close to the feature of the home, then the image is gonna look more full and it's gonna look more aesthetically pleasing, and the viewer is gonna have an emotional draw to the image and see exactly what they're getting into. And not to mention, you can get high up in the air, you can get further away from the home to showcase how the home fits in a community. But not only this, if there are trails around the home, if there are playgrounds, or if there are amenities included in the HOA that need to be showcased, aerial photos of that definitely makes your property stand out a lot more than those around it. So by having drone photos, you're actually benefiting your listing by showing different perspectives that a traditional DSLR camera can't. And on top of that, because I am licensed, you're able to use the photos commercially. Now what that means is, for example, let's take Provo, Utah. Provo is mostly in Class D airspace, meaning that from the ground up, you're in airspace. So even if you're 1 foot off the ground, 5 feet off the ground, 15 feet off the ground, you're in a Class D airspace. And if somebody were to question, where did you get these photos from, who took them, and you were to reference somebody else and they can't show a license for it, they would get fined and potentially you would get fined. But because I am a licensed drone pilot, you can reference me for the photos and I can show my license. So that way you can properly use your photos for commercial use. Again, my drone photos are included already in the package. It is at no extra charge, it's unlimited, and you just let me know what you want to photograph outside the home. Playgrounds, trails, parks, anything like that I can take a photo of with a drone, and it's at no extra cost to you.